All right, we are ready for the last couple steps of our project. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill in these spots at the top and the bottom of our project that need to still have that weaving added. So I'm going to select a whole row again. And reminder, you do that by selecting your first shape, holding down the shift key, and then selecting the rest. So I'm going to select one whole row here, and I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, so now I have another one, and I'm going to line it up at the top. And it is going to go off the page, and that's okay. Okay, so I need to scroll up, and then I'm going to try lining it up. And remember, I was kind of using the side over here as my guideline. All right. So there's my top row, and then I just need to do the same thing once again on my bottom row. So I'm going to paste, and I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. I'm going to line it up with this edge over here so that I can kind of see where my shape needs to go. Okay, all right, so now I have everything done as far as getting all the weaving shapes onto my Google Draw document. The last step is that we need to fill in these negative spaces. So you're gonna go back up to your shape icon here at the top, and you're going to insert a rectangle or square, and you're going to make this into a square. Now, if you have a hard time making this square exactly the size that you need it to be, you can always go up to View, Zoom in to 100 or 200%. So I'm just gonna go to 100, and I'm gonna scroll up so I can kind of show you now I have kind of a better look. And I want the outline to be black, so it already is, and I want the inside to be black as well, okay? So if you click off, you can kind of see, oh, it's a little bit taller than it should be, so I'm gonna pull that down just a little bit. And look, did you even see how that red guideline helped me there? All right, so now I'm going to copy it. I'm going to zoom back out so I can see my whole document, and I'm going to paste it into all of those negative spaces. And you'll be able to tell now too if your document is lined up correctly, or if you have some spaces that are too big or too small. So there's my first row, okay? And it actually kind of looks like that one. It's a little too big, doesn't it? You see how that guide helped me? That guide helped me fix it really quick, but I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in just so that I can see if it actually is lined up or not. It's kind of off. Do you see how there's a little gap? There. You see how that guide helped me? It's still kind of off. All right. So anyway, you're going to insert that shape into all of your negative spaces. So then it really gives the illusion that you have these areas that are deep underneath all of these woven rectangles. You can see that that one is not wide enough. Make it just a little bit wider. Okay, so your weaving is now complete. And the last thing that you need to do is you need to insert the text box. So I'm going to put one, down here in this corner. I'm going to type in my name. And you can't really see it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my font color to white. I'm also going to make it bold, and then you can kind of drag it in the corner of your project. Okay, that's kind of my signature. All right. So now your weaving is done. If you would like, so that you only have the part that's actually in your document, you could do a screenshot. Save that to your computer, and then you could just have your image. So I'm gonna show you what that will look like. Just a reminder, when you're ready to turn in your project, you will just click on View Assignment. So right now, it will say View Assignment down here. And then when you click on it, it will look something like this, where you will have your assignment right here, and you just click the Turn In button. A lot of you have not been turning it in, so make sure that you click in that Turn In button for me. And I'm excited to see what you guys complete.